Key Lime Rum Tart. This recipe is adapted from Everyday Entertaining by Elizabeth Van Lierde. To make this dessert, you will need graham crackers, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, salt, butter, sweetened condensed milk, fresh limes, egg yolks, rum, and heavy cream. Finally, crush the graham crackers and place them in a medium bowl along with about 6 tablespoons of granulated sugar, some cinnamon, and salt. Add a stick of melted butter and stir with a fork until the crumbs are evenly and completely moistened. Press the mixture into the bottom and up the sides of an 8.5 by 11 inch baking pan or tart pan. If you use a baking dish, line it with parchment paper for easier serving. Bake the crust at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While the crust bakes, zest and juice the limes. You'll need 6 to 8 regular limes or about 60 key limes for this recipe. In a mixing bowl, combine the condensed milk, the freshly squeezed lime juice, the egg yolks, a few tablespoons of rum, and mix with a whisk until well combined. Pour over the prepared crust. And return the pan to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the filling is just set and slightly jiggly in the center. Cool on a rack to room temperature and then refrigerate until well chilled. When ready to serve, prepare the whipped cream topping. Whip the cream with a couple of tablespoons of rum, a bit more granulated sugar to stiff peaks, and then slather all over the top of the chilled tart. Sprinkle with the reserved lime zest, and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.